Spectrum internet disconnections often stem from three main culprits: channel bonding issues, modem firmware bugs, and line noise. Channel bonding problems arise when the modem loses sync with one or more channels it uses for data transmission, often due to interference. Firmware bugs in your modem can also cause random reboots and disconnections. These are software level issues. Line noise, which is electromagnetic interference from appliances, poor cable shielding, or damaged lines, disrupts the data signal. Addressing these issues is key to resolving disconnections. As of October 2025, approximately 15 to 20% of users still experience daily disconnects linked to line noise. To troubleshoot and fix Spectrum Internet disconnections, start by checking your modem's signal levels through its web interface. Access your modem's web interface at 192.168.100.1. Look for optimal signal-to-noise ratio values, 30 to 40 decibels for downstream and 35 to 50 decibels for upstream. If SNR is low, it indicates line noise affecting your connection. Ensure your modem is Spectrum approved and running the latest firmware. Update it through the Spectrum app or perform a manual reset if needed. Inspect your coaxial cables for any damage or loose connections. Consider using shielded cables to reduce interference. Restart your modem regularly to clear temporary issues and refresh the connection. If problems continue, contact Spectrum support for professional signal analysis and line inspection. Spectrum is investing in DOCSIS 4.0 technology and AI-driven diagnostics for predictive maintenance. Regular proactive monitoring of your setup can significantly improve internet stability.